Today I'll teach you a skill. First, hold it like me. Use the big mold to complete. Poke it like this. While poking, follow through. Let me show you once. After opening, complete the real task. You can also lock and cover. Choose a loose mechanism. To practice is better. Look at the effect now. Master this dish in 30 minutes with 3 tips. First, hold the lighter. Open the large mold. Use the paper to secure the machine. Hook the machine and turn it around. Move to this position. Hold it with your fingers. Complete the simple design. Without practice, it's basic. Now see the skilled result. Stop at fingertips. Lift all 10. Let go. Open and ignite. Mind the pinky. Cover comfortably. See the result. Master this dish in 30 minutes. Hold the lighter like this. The mold is now fixed. Gently push it out. Use paper to hold it in place. Flip it up. Apply some force. Light it up below. Just like that. See the result. Chase your dreams. Let's get started. Rescue the lighter. Hold the lighter firmly. Use paper to open it. Place paper under the wheel. Press down to spark. Flip it back. Flip up. Close with style. Push out and hold. Flip and lock. Lift with paper. Replace with solid. Done, let's see. Let's get started. Hold it firmly. Lock it in place. Thumb on top. Open and ignite. Now spin it. Release thumb. Catch it. Light up. Done with style. Lock it back. Switch hands now. Close the lid. See the result. Let's start with basics. Today, I'll guide you through a detailed lesson. Open the cover like this. Don't worry about the technique. Finally, return to this dynamic position. The large module fits on top. The medium one goes at the bottom. Control the force with your fingers. Not too hard, not too soft. Don't overdo the technique. You need some basic skills. First, let's learn the first circle. Move your finger to guide it down. That's one circle completed. Now let me demonstrate. Watch my finger. Guide it down. Notice the angle at the neck. Let it come down, completing the first circle. Now the second circle. Watch my middle finger. It's on one side, then the other. Just drag one corner. See my finger hooking in. My middle finger is still guiding. Keep it close to the body. Now bring it back together. 2 circles completed. Now ignite. I'll demonstrate slowly. Guide it down for the first circle. Hook your finger in. Bring it back for the second circle. With practice, you can speed up or slow down. Be careful not to crash. You'll see the effects with practice. Learn this fancy play. Basic forward spin. Forward spin is the foundation. For newbies, first take the rocket and put it on the card. Then release the mechanism with your thumb and index. Finger practice the move. Watch my hand movement. Not too straight, with an arc. Fingers open often, then spin down. To this position, hold the machine cover and move it down. Practice finger strength. At this position, it's a bit weaker. Hook up to practice. Then flip up. Flip to this position and loop infinitely. I recommend newbies start with forward spin and practice. This move improves finger strength and control. When practicing, don't rush. Feel the slow spin. Find the control and feel. First, it's hard to hold the mechanism. So practice on a soft surface. Don't flip your hand. When practicing, watch the effect. After mastering, the move is smooth. Learn the basics of flipping. Flipping is a fundamental technique. Start with a simple flip. Relax and let it flow naturally. Use your middle finger to flip down. Catch it here. Then flip it up. Try a continuous flip. Flip back up with your fingers. Flip and turn with your fingers. Quickly change direction. Return to the starting position. Flipping is simpler than turning. Try another variation. Flip with your fingers again. Master both flipping and turning. Practice turning first, then flipping. See the results with practice. Learn this fancy trick in 30 minutes. Today we'll teach you to open it. First, hold the large mold tightly. Hold it firm here. Then use force to flip it. Use momentum to open it. Release and flip up. When it reaches this position, hold tight. Carefully open it now. As we open with this fancy trick. Turn it around. Complete the electric fire on the wheel. Simple, small tricks, practice repeatedly. See the effect afterwards.